Checking new diagnostic tools in Automechanika Shanghai 2023.
This is for diesel 24-volt systems for trucks, etc.
Understood. So, it follows the J1939 standard, was it? Yes, J1939 protocol.
We support plenty of protocols.
Okay. Do you do also new cars?
Some of those ones recently made may need some time.
Let's say for example BYD. So, this is getting popular in Europe, but the problem is that they cannot diagnose.
Yes, sir, we support this one.
Because many of the recently produced Chinese cars are sold abroad, but over there it's hard to diagnose the vehicle or do anything else ... like getting parts or other. This thing is super important, and it will get more and more fundamental in future.